Sci-Fi Tech. In this video, I want to do a teardown of this mini portable speaker. I want to see how this device works and to see if there's any parts that are worth salvaging. Let's get started. First, what I'm going to do is cut off this auxiliary cable, since this part's useful. And now, take it and put it to the side. Next, I'm going to go and do what I always do. See a screw, take a screw, see a screw, take a screw. And some screws are a little stubborn, so I have to switch to another screwdriver. And there, open it up, and as you can see, it's just a very simple circuit, using a simple audio amplifier and two simple speakers. I see there's more screws, so I'm going to go and remove those screws and go a little deeper. And there we go, the screws are now removed, and now open this up. Unscrew some more screws, and I see a very simple circuit with a switch, a resistor, and an LED. Okay, that's very nice and simple. I can definitely use this for a future project. Cut the wires and remove it. And now the second component is a potentiometer with two little ceramic capacitors. Very nice, I can probably use this. Even more useful is the wires, so what I'm going to do is just simply cut it out. And now remove the speakers. And there we go, the speakers are now removed. Discard that other piece. And now go and remove a couple more screws to reveal the audio amplification circuit. Cut the wires and remove the audio amplification circuit. And as you can see, it uses a few very simple components. As you can see, it's a very simple audio amplification circuit with two audio amplification microcontrollers. These two audio amplifiers are very useful, definitely going to salvage for those. A bunch of ceramic capacitors, electrolytic capacitors, resistors, and this DC input jack, all very useful. And these are all of the items I've salvaged. The auxiliary jack, very useful. This little switch, resistor, and LED. Some screws, very useful. And these 4-ohm 2-watt speakers, these are very useful, can definitely use these. And this circuit that contains a bunch of useful components. What I like the most is these audio amplification microcontrollers, definitely can use that. And what's very useful is these wires. Wires are always very handy. And there you have it, now you know what's inside of a mini portable speaker, how it works, and what kind of components that are worth salvaging. Thank you for watching Sci-Fi Tech. I hope you learned something new, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and of course click on the bell icon to be notified of future Sci-Fi Tech videos. To the next tech, goodbye.